This is our Shocker fifth wheel to gooseneck and Demco coupler conversion kit. This is a complete replacement pin box system featuring a Shocker Hitch gooseneck hitch with the Demco EZ Latch Coupler. The Demco EZ Latch Coupler makes hooking up easy and simple. Just drop it over the ball and the heavy-duty coupler will lock automatically. With a 24,000-pound weight capacity, it's perfect whether you are towing a big toy hauler or a small camper. This system installs in minutes using your existing pin box bolts. This not only gives you the benefit of quicker hookups, but it also regains bed space by eliminating the bulky fifth wheel hitch, and you regain your entire truck bed. Haul more materials, pack more camping gear, or fold your ball away and drive away. Upgrade your camping rig today with the Shocker fifth wheel to gooseneck and Demco coupler conversion kit. You can learn more by visiting us at shockerhitch.com or give us a call at 701-707-2666 and give yourself safer, smoother towing.